Yeah, greetings in our Rastafari name. You see, when it sound trivial, but just listen. I hope it makes sense. Jamaican get Obeah star. You see, no, this house sound. I don't even know this house. I'm in business of this house. Jamaican get Obeah. The singer, Jamaican Faster. Yeah, Jamaican. Somebody Obeah, me hear that from him argument when I do. Him do an interview with Teach Them. And from him, you know, from him speech them, yeah. He say him get Obeah. As a youth with locks on him head. You know see it, cause and the point of my argument that is just basically him must say man, that Christianity I do it here now type of thing. You get what I say? Due to that. And it's not like I advocate against him decision or him opinion or Christianity or anything like that. You know see it, but first question I want to ask the public and Jamil is if you ever see any Rasta get Obeah. You see, you ever see anybody Obeah in a Rasta where them can, you know, do what them do or it affect them in any way. You see, I'm gonna ask a question that for insult intelligent. I'm gonna ask a question that for really validate what I say to a degree. I know say what reach you. You know see, cause you reach. You know see, but again the reason why I ask the question if you ever seen a Rasta get Obeah is because when you reach to a certain degree, when you reach upon a certain heights, a spirituality, when you reach upon a certain heights, you know, your faith, you literally conquer them thing there and you know how to conquer it by the things them way you do, the action them way you perform. See the representation them way you make. And them type of thing there. Conquer Obeah. Conquer Obeah man. That's why Obeah man act like them no respect or rate Rasta man. You know see it? And every man where you see I go on with themselves. A Rasta man. And every man relax. Cause even you trick me and did have me away. Cause the song them where I sing, me I check say, you really under the guidance and the hospice of some Congo man. Really and truly, the song them when me hear you come out with. You know see it? Yeah, I man did that thing say some Congo culture yonder. You know see? Still, you don't know. I just saw it go. See? Because the whole experience bring I here so today. Make I man make that video here. You know see? Don't know. I man did I expect say, you know, the Congo man them did have you. I did I think that. You know see? But again, you born with a natural element in your spirit, a natural spiritism where even surpass a lot of man out there, a lot of spirituality out there. You get what I say? Because you communicate on IRMs and you're not educated physically or let me say in other earlier then seeing you're not educated to the degree of what go on in other world, yeah, but yet your spiritual communication with the other world and our other realms is impeccable, is remarkable. You understand me? Enough people now gonna understand what I say, but the energy where I drive and the message where I send, you know see, you have to far past yourself. You know see? So the man them were down there, you know, the elder them, the priest them, the Congo man them were down there, I never pick up on that. And for no say them for, you know, cultivate the necessaries, you know, seed, and plant the seed where the seed need to grow the right way. Them kind of fail to a degree. You see what I say? But that's why you feel the way you feel. You know, see, because again, will you like you perform if ill will can come upon you, a true lack of knowledge. You know, see, yeah. It happened to the best way. Still. You know, see, but Just go and read your Bible and do it the same way and hold your Sabbath. You see it, and hold your faith. And seek knowledge elsewhere. You don't just depend on the knowledge where you yourself gather. Where you do you question things with other people and things like that. You see it. And gather experience. Because Rastafari is a transition from Christianity to a higher realms. You understand? In a real life, Rasta have nothing against Christianity. Rasta are the extended version of Christianity who see past that, because remember when Christ come, Christ said, blessed are those of old. You understand? Him come with a new revelation. You understand what I say? And him tell you say him will come back in at this time, at a certain time, under a certain manifestation, certain characteristics and everything will play out in front of the whole of our eyes. You see? And the deliverance, the 7 seal bus and things like that. You see? So, it's sort of unimaginable faith. You're down there, you don't have them knowledge there, and you don't witness them fact there too. You see? That's right, you know, you can't even, in a two mind, in regards to stepping back from your faith, from your spirituality, to religion. You know what I say? And you create religion, you know. When I laugh after yesterday, yo, it's not a laughing matter. And you create religion from the heights of spirituality on high where you there. And you design politics. And you design policies. You get what I say, brother? Seeing at them degree that the world and Africa have you, that's why them revere you so much. You know, see it? Because you're under the image and the characteristics of righteousness. Rastafari righteousness. Coming from the root, Jamaica. You see what I say, brother? So, don't get it twisted. Study some more. Humble yourself. Do what you have to do. Take your reading them and them thing there. But go and study and, you know, see it. Gather the knowledge. You know, see it. Find some Congo man up in some mountain and give them some reasoning and take some reasoning from them and question the things that they must make them show you the evidence them, because we have all of the evidence them for everything what we talk about, you know, as Rasta, you know, see, especially in regards to Rastafari and who Rastafari is in this dispensation, who Christ is, you know, see. Because right now, them, you come like them one, you go wait upon sky for bus, you know, and brimstone and fire for fall, and God mash up the earth and all them thing there. You know, see it. Right now, at the right judgment, at the true judgment, this are going, you know, and you have fire some of the wickedest shot them, you know, the judgment. You know, see it. Yes, no man. So nobody get it twisted or feel no way. Don't feel like so well then. Because a little thing befall you, you never depend on the right track. And who you think them go after and target the wickedest way? Eh? The people them are on the right track, man. You know, see? Know yourself, man, and know your power. Follow the spirit that will live inside of you and continue the way you do, man. You're done upon the right path, man. Having your locks on your head, man, is a burden. You know, see? From people see you. From people see you, them see you as a man where come for challenge the norm. You get what I say? Yeah, them see, them know that are your identity. You know, see, you're the superhero at them time, yeah. The Superman, them, when them join a comic and them guys, when them try promoting them fantasy and things like that. Are you a them type of guy that in a real life? No. Things them way I say. A youth like you stop apartheid. You know, see, Naya Bingi, Mama, warrior. Go find out about yourself who you is. You know, see, only per source. And the thing is why I don't even try mention it, because I don't have enough time and space on this right now. And some of my things are like a 10 minutes thing and I cut again. You know, see, but don't. You know, only per thing the boy you youth where you don't learn. I know that you know that it I'm hope the man them pick up on what you say and realize say evil befall you. You know, see, and reach out to you and teach you what you need to know about yourself so that you can you're protected from them things there. You know, so I say, brother, yeah, man, more joy and more love. Go and sing what you sing, man. More blessed, man. See, Rastafari.